Hey guys, welcome to another session of a bonus module. In this session, I'm going to show you how to measure SEO and page speed metrics of any website. So now I'm in tcs.com. So guys, just hit Ctrl Shift I or else right click and inspect element. Just hit a right click and inspect element so that you can get a DevTools option like a pop-up, and then go to these two arrows. Here you can find an option called Lighthouse. So just hit on that. Let me maximize. So guys, here you can see the categories like performance, progress, web app, best practices, accessibility, SEO. Check all marks and then you can choose the device. So you can even generate a report for mobile device or a desktop. Let me generate for mobile first. So let me click on generate report. So it will take some time. Here you can see auditing www.tcs.com. Yes, finally we got a report. Let me maximize. So here you can see guys, performance is 7 and accessibility is 92. So best practice is 86, SEO score is 91. Okay, so here you can find metrics, first contentful paint. So these all are comes under digital marketing modules like a SEO part. So you have to study SEO to understand all these things. Okay, but this is the best method to measure page speed and SEO metrics. So let us check for a desktop. Okay, I'm going to close this. Let me click inspect element and I'm going to Lighthouse, then select a device as desktop, generate report. Okay, let us see. So guys, I'm going to maximize. Here you can see, so desktop performance is 41, accessibility is 94 and best practice is 79, SEO score is 91. So here you can see the issues like the complete metrics. So by analyzing these things, we can rectify the issues. So that's all about measuring SEO metrics and page speed. So I'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.